p.m. At 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm with little to no lightning was located over western Aurora, or 7 miles east of Denver, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Heavy rain.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denver, Aurora, Eastern Lakewood, Centennial, Southern Commerce City, Northeastern Littleton, Englewood, Greenwood Village, Lone Tree, Denver International Airport, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Sheridan, Bennett, Manila Village, Arapahoe Park, Watkins and Buckley SFB. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.